Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are excited to share with you vintage garden decorating ideas that you can easily do yourself and can DIY. We bring you the best ideas for home decoration. These ideas will help you transform your garden into a beautiful and unique space that you can enjoy all year round. Vintage garden decor is a charming and unique way to add personality to your outdoor space. In this video, we will be showing you a variety of vintage garden furniture, rustic garden projects, and DIY garden decorations that will transform your garden into a cozy and inviting oasis. DIY garden projects are a great way to get creative and add a personal touch to your outdoor space. We have got plenty of easy DIY garden projects that you can do with minimal supplies and a little bit of creativity. Vintage garden furniture adds a touch of nostalgia to your garden and is perfect for creating a cozy outdoor seating area. We have got a variety of vintage garden furniture ideas from repurposed items to flea market finds that will make your garden the perfect spot for relaxing and entertaining. Rustic garden projects are a great way to add a touch of nature to your outdoor space. We have got a variety of ideas for rustic garden decorations such as wooden signs, flower boxes, and other unique items that will bring a natural charm to your garden. In addition to vintage and rustic garden decorations, we have got plenty of other garden decoration ideas that will make your garden unique and charming. From hanging planters to garden art, we have got you covered. We hope you enjoyed these vintage garden decorating ideas that you can easily do yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home decoration ideas. Thanks for watching.